Hello, dear students. Now, please listen. Don't make haste. At the time of our lecture is going on, no one will speak. No one will make haste. And lastly, some minutes will be given to your queries or the doubts. But before that, you have to listen each and every concept or the topic. Words with their correct spelling is important. Your listening or noting down the words with their correct spelling with words and their antonyms are important. As far as our SPI entrance is concerned, the vocabulary part is very much important. Rest of the part of our preparation is totally depend on the words. I have told you many times to be quiet and listen carefully. Your quietness, your patience is important. Now we will begin with the word alphabet. From the alphabet H. Take or listen carefully. Your careful listening is important. If you listen carefully, then there will be no doubt. Don't make any confusion. Now we are beginning with the alphabetical word H. Harmony. Opposite of harmony is discord. Note each and every spelling of every word. Don't take any wrong spelling. Discord, DISCORD. Then contention, difference. As your screen, the word has been given clearly. Then dissension, dissonance, rapture, strife, and variance. All these words are opposite words or the antonyms of harmony. Then humane, opposite of it inhumane. Here in is the prefix. By using this prefix at the beginning of the word, we turn humane into its opposite. This is a technique, very simple technique. Remember, so humane opposite is inhuman, cruel, and merciless. One word is having many opposite words. Humiliate, exalt, happiness, misery, hazardous, safe, certain, secure, sure, protested, sound, undamaged, hopeful, despondent, hope, despair, host, opposite is guest. When guest comes to us, we become the host, and the person comes to us, becomes the guest. Host, guest. Then hoist, Hoist, hoist. Opposite, lower, debase, degrade, lessen, diminish, drop. Next word is heavy. Opposite, light. Hate, love. Handsome, ugly. Honest, dishonest. Honest, dishonest. By adding this prefix dis, time to time I will tell you such techniques by which you can turn any word into its opposite. Dishonest, hard, soft. Healthy, unhealthy. UN plus HEALTHY, unhealthy. Haste, delay. Honor, shame. Harmful, harmless. Hell, protest. avoid, the words begin with I. Importance, insignificance. Individually, 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 individual, individually. Now opposite is collectively. Industrious means busy. Opposite is lazy. Inception, young. Cease, conclude. Cessation, completion, finish. Termination. Irritate, delight, soothe. Invincible, conquerable. Intricate, conquerable. Intricate, plain, simple. Intricate means complicated, which is very difficult to solve. Opposite of that intricate is plain, simple. Next, integration, separation, disconnection, detachment, severance. Indict, acquit, defend. Inhibit, opposite, assist, encourage, allow, help, facilitate, foster, expedite, stimulate, precipitate, promote, boost. Improvise, rehearse, insidious, straightforward, uncomplicated, effortless, simple, plain, unexciting, easy. Imposter, gentleman. Inactive. Remember the spelling, inactive, INACTIVA. This is not inactive, it's inactive. The time we solve the MCQ, that time we have to pay attention to the spelling. Inactive, opposite are praise, plaudits, approval, applaud, comment, compliment, say nice things, tribute, accolade, encomium. Immortal, mortal. Here, immortal is a word, and not by adding IM. By lessening or deleting IM prefix, we have got the opposite of immortal as mortal. Before this, we have come to learn by adding prefix, we have got the opposite. And here, by deleting the prefix, we have got the opposite. Immortal, mortal. Perishable. Illegal. Here, IL. These two letters are lessened or deleted, and we got the opposite of illegal as legal. Pay attention to this. Not only by adding, but sometimes by deleting the prefix, we got the opposite words or the antonyms. Illustrious, ordinary, undistinguished. Next, joint, separate. Pay attention. JADEZ, refresh, brace, clear, enliven, reanimate, joy, sorrow, jaunty, Jaunty, opposite, calm, sedate, demure,
तुला
grave,
आता समजा आलं ते आता काही सेव केलं नाही तो कुत्र्यावानी मारील विचार कर
celebrates means calm, justice, injustice. Here, justice is a word, and by adding prefix with two letters only, in, we got the opposite of justice, and that is injustice. Justification, protest, assert, asseverate, attest, avow, expostulate, juvenile, adult, mature. Now the words begin with the letter K. Keen, indifferent. Keen means interested, and indifferent means is not that much interested or earnest. Kernel, Kernel, kernel. Husk, bark, coating, covering, hull. Thank you. Rind and crust, kind, cruel. Now here is the word knowledge, and it has more than 2 to 3 words as the opposite words. Knowledge, illiterateness, ignorance, unawareness, inexperience, benightedness, nescience. Now, merit, demerit, moral, lack, plenty, loud, low, LAUD, lot, desperate, liberty, slavery, laxity, strictness, attention, consciousness, severity, rigidity, austerity, exactitude, lasting, momentary, liberal, can. In what sense this liberal is used? Opposite to that can be conservative. Now legend, fact, history, loyal, disloyal. DIS is the prefix. By adding this prefix, we turn loyal into its opposite as disloyal, faithless, life, death, latent, conspicuous, apparent, clear, discernible, manifest, noted, lucky, unlucky, later, 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 earlier, lavish, niggardly, miser, loose, tight. And now Look at the spelling. Latter. Latter. Before two words, there was a word, its spelling was Latter. And now the word on your screen. Look at the cursor. L-A, look at this arrow. Latter. It's a ladder, and the opposite of this ladder is former. Lead, follow. Mad, same. Mild, harsh. Master, servant. Maximum, minimum. Minor is the opposite of major. Mercurial, fixed, constant, stable, steady. Mood, unswearing. Make, mark. Melody, healthy. Morbid, health. Metaphysical, material. Matter, substance. Essential. Metaphysical means related to our spiritual, divine, and opposite to that metaphysical, material, matter, substance, essential, important, momentous, necessary, relevant, vital. Modest, immodest. I am. By adding this I am, two letters, we turn this modest into opposite, immodest. Monogamy, polygamy. Miser, spendthrift. Moiety, whole, complete, entire, aggregate, intact. Merit, demerit. Moral, immoral. Merit and demerit can be used in many sense. At the time of solving the statements of the MCQ, you have to pay attention to the correct sense of the statement, and that's why words and with their meanings are important. Moral, immoral, male, female, multiply, divide, mute, eloquent or vocal, mourn, rejoice, delight, gladden. Monotony, liveliness, variety. Modern, old, obsolete. Migratory, settled. Meek, arrogant, immodest. Migratory means moving from one place to another. Maybe it is a thing or person. And opposite to that is settled. Malice, opposite is goodwill. Now the words beginning with alphabet N. Numerous means number of. Opposite, few. Nominate, deprive, dispossess, strip, divest, relieve, bereave, deny, nutriment, opposite, detriment, harm, damage, injury, impairment, loss, prejudice, disservice, mischief. Next, natural, opposite is artificial. Neutralize, this is not naturalized. Spelling Neutralisa. Sometimes the MCQs will confuse you with the spelling. That time we have to be very careful about the spelling of a particular word. The spelling of this word is neutralize, Neutralisa, and opposite intensify, escalate, set up, boost, augment, amplify, magnify, and extend. Normal, abnormal, neat, untidy. Dear friends, now for this session, we have not more than 4 minutes. So last 3 minutes and 30 seconds are left. And the next session will begin. Immediately the next session will begin. And this session will automatically will go off. So don't make haste. Remain at your place. And try to join again as per the conditions given by our administration. Now next word, open. Opposite, shut. Close. Order, chaos. Odious, pleasant. Acceptable, charming, delectable, amusing, gratifying. Oral, written. Offensive, defensive. Orthodox, liberal. Old, young, new. Ostensible means which is not real. Opposite, genuine, authentic, real, genuine, actual, tangible, often, seldom. Obedient, disobedient. DIS is a prefix. When the letters of the words are added before a word, they are called as the prefix. And when the letters or the words are added at the end of the word, that time those letters of the words are called suffix. Both suffix and prefixes are called affix. So this is important in our next to next lecture, that is word formation or the one word substitution. Now obedient, disobedient, defiant, obstinate. Obstinate means haughty, firm on its own ideas or the things. Obstinate. Opposite, polite, docile. Next word, overt means open. Opposite is covert. Look at here, just one letter is added, C, and it becomes the covert. Overt, opposite is covered, concealed, sacred. Okay, student.
Please try to log in again. Please try to join the group again. Please try to join the group again.
सर इंग्लिशचं सेशन
Session will
कंटिन्यू
be
होणार आहे का?
automatically disconnected. We have less than 30 seconds. Please try to log in again. Please try to log in again. Session is automatically disconnected.
मॅथ्सचं लेक्चर आहे का?
Please try to log in again.
सर मॅथ्सचं लेक्चर आहे का?
Please try to log in again. Session will be automatically disconnected.